Welcome to Rockland Birding Chronicles. We're going to spend some relaxing quality time with my backyard birds, starting with this male cardinal at one of our tube feeders. Mourning doves are always regulars, whether they're walking around on the top of the frame that holds up our feeders or foraging on the deck. House sparrows are also regulars, and here's a bunch of male house sparrows, which are distinguished from the females because they have the black bib under their chin. On the top left, we have a female house sparrow identified by the absence of a black bib under her chin. And this is a male brown-headed cowbird. On the left, we have a female brown-headed cowbird, and on the right, we have a male house finch. The sparrows have returned, pushing away the finch and the cowbird. And here we have more house sparrow action. Female downy woodpecker on the left and male house finch on the right. Now we have more mourning dove activity. The mourning doves tend to forage underneath the feeders, and we have a blue jay passing through briefly to get a little bit of water, and then we have a male downy woodpecker, known to be a male because of the red spot on the back of his head. And we have a male red-winged blackbird on the right and a female house sparrow on the left. In this clip, we start with a male cowbird, followed by a female cowbird and a mixture of sparrows. The male brown-headed cowbird is on the railing with the brown head and the black body, both bright colors, and the female brown-headed cowbird is the dark dull bird above him on the feeder, surrounded by house sparrows. The sparrows are really filling up today. And this female downy woodpecker is just having a good time climbing up the supporting beam for the bird feeder frame. This male house finch appears to be foraging underneath one of the feeders, where somebody above is being a sloppy eater and dropping a lot of food for him. And here comes a male red-winged blackbird ready to cool down at the fountain. And here's the male downy woodpecker enjoying the suet. Notice the red on the back of his head, which is what distinguishes him as a male. And here's another downy hanging out on the Niger seed feeder. Niger seed is something specific to goldfinches, and they love it, though I haven't seen any here recently. And now for some more mourning dove action. And Mr. Cowbird looking for seed that dropped from the feeder above. And here is some more mourning dove activity. And our last species today is the blue jay. And so we have seen 8 different species today: Northern Cardinal, Mourning Dove, House Sparrow, Cowbird, House Finch, Downy Woodpecker, Red-winged Blackbird, and the blue jay. Thank you so much for joining Rockland Birding Chronicles today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe.